Rocket Companies, Rocket Mortgage, or RKT stock today is up 13%. Let's take a look at the technical analysis of RKT stock, and also let's take a look at the support resistance levels, where this stock may be headed next. It is a big push today, very big volume. So let's take a look also at option market and moving averages as well. So from here, I'm going to zoom out to daily chart just to show what I was watching before this move. So before this move, we had this action right here. Stock was pretty much chopping after earnings. It wasn't able to get above this line right here, which is almost $18 levels. So once it got above that level, we saw a lot of volume spike here, but it didn't push higher. But today, stock is above that support level, and also it is breaking above that resistance level, which was almost $20 level, give or take, because we did have this huge gap down right here after earnings from 23 all the way to this $20 level. Okay, so for the first time, stock is trading from that moment above $20 level. So this is a huge gap to fill. So I would watch for this name to possibly get there if we have a strong momentum. But if we zoom out a little bit more, we can see there's a lot of supply here. There's a lot of sellers. This is a big, huge resistance to get over $24 level. So that's the level I was waiting for many days when stock was sitting at these levels. I even had my alerts here to go long possibly, but they never triggered. So as a bull, since I trade options, I'm not very interested to grab shares. But if you're someone who is building a position, I would wait for this stock to pull back to support level and then add to the portfolio at those levels. But to trade, if you're someone who is a trader, I would say I would wait for that firm confirmation of getting above that level of 23, or wait for the stock to fall back to these 1970 levels, and then from here trade the stock all the way till 22. That's the potential for this name, in my opinion, at that level. And also, if I bring up moving averages, this is resistance. Apparently, this 50-day moving average, which is at the moment this yellow line right here, $20.70. So if it gets above that level, that's really good for the bulls. It can push, it can build above that level. So at the moment, it is acting as a resistance, just like it did here. It couldn't get above 50-day simple moving average. Also, we want to, since we have one more hour until market close, we want to take a look at the option market. Let's see what's going on, if people are making long-term bullish bets. So today's stats, huge volume, 450,000 calls versus 60,000 puts. We're not going to be able to go through many stuff here, but we can still look at the biggest orders and see if people are making long-term bullish bets. So I do see 1689, 2589. These are the calls for September. So decent medium term, I would say, bullish bets. And also we are seeing January 2023, 1189. So pretty much in the money call buying activity here, but it was 500 contracts. So yeah, I do feel like there's a lot of calls, but most of them are for summer, and we can see some long-term bets as well, but they're not significant. So definitely option market is very call active bullish, I would say. From here, just by looking at the chart, you can say that, yeah, who would buy a put here? Maybe people are just selling puts, or even maybe selling calls if they have if they're happy with this move. But for me, those are the levels I would watch. I would not chase this name right here right now. So if I was long, I would let it pull back to at least VWAP tomorrow and watch it from there. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one. Peace.